Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to, try to refurbish this Nokia C6 that's, you can see its condition and a broken display, but it's the first C6 that I found that actually starts up, even though the display it's cracked. So let's begin. It has a sensitive flex cable, so have to be very careful with this. Also, the body shell that I have isn't exactly new, so I have to keep some parts, like for instance these parts. Oh my god, what's in this thing? See how dusty this thing is? Well, this is all that I need. I already have some parts, so. Here we have the main board. So dusty. Don't force pull it out because there's this cable from the touchscreen. See, it just slides in like this and with clamps after you take the three screws out. Taking this out, there you have it. Since the display it's already cracked, I don't have to be careful with it. It's sticked here, glued here, so if you still need to use the display, don't force it like I'm doing now. Be gentle with it. I'm changing this one because it's broken. Also have to be extra careful for the other flex cables here. This has to be unsticked. There we go. Good. Phew. Good thing I didn't break this thing. Okay, I'll get to properly clean what's left of these parts, the hinge and mainboard, and be right back with the assembly. Well, I've cleaned it as much as I could. Now to put all the, not new, used parts, because I could not find any new body shell, so I'm going to use some old ones from the other phones that I have that are broken. What a mess for now. Okay then, so let's put these buttons here. I just press this here, close it, and that's that with the display. Good enough. Finally nailed it. Ha! Good. There we go. So yeah, the body shell that I have now it's black, but I'm going to have to use some white elements because I have no choice. Good. There we go. Well, I think the battery that I have is a bit swollen or is not the correct one. I don't have another one, so there we go. I love to see that logo. Yeah, so I think this phone has software issues. So I'll go ahead and do a hard reset on it, and if it still has problems, I will just reinstall its firmware. But I'm just hoping it's not a flex cable problem. The way it looks, I think it's a flex cable problem. And I don't have a flex cable for this phone. Well, not yet anyway. Yeah, well, I've reset it. It works just fine. The only problem is that when I do this, it's clearly the flex cable. It's partially broken apparently, only when you open it up. When it's closed, it's working fine. I don't think this is the correct battery for it because it's pushing the door back. But I can find a good one. So let's see. Sure, it needs a touch recalibration, but so it's a original C6. 241 hours and 12 minutes. Not bad. Now let's see the camera, which is working perfectly fine. As you can see here. Well, not keeping it. No use for it. So yeah, other than that, it works. So if I'll get to find a flex cable for it, I will make a second video with it and repair it. Maybe even a body shell, a better one than this. If not, well, this will be my C6. It's a pretty interesting phone, and honestly, I had two damaged phones for parts. That's where I got the parts for them, the display and everything, because I can't find any other parts around here. Yeah, it definitely had a thinner battery. I don't know exactly which one, but if I am to close it properly, see, nice. Actually, if I'm listening, it sounds like a cable scratch. So yeah, clearly the cable is half broken. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful if you have a phone like this and need to know how to get inside it. So if you did enjoy it and found it useful, please leave a like. It helps me a lot. Subscribe to my channel for more daily videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.